This would have to be one of the most unused tools for anyone with an online business. So if you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, a coach, an influencer, and you do not have the Facebook Pixel installed correctly, then this video is going to be for you. So the Facebook Pixel Helper is the anti-kryptonite of winning Facebook ads in 2020. Firstly, you're probably wondering, what do I mean by the anti-kryptonite of winning Facebook ads and the Facebook Pixel Helper? Now, this is going to alarm you, but 66% of businesses that I go and consult with or work with do not have the Facebook Pixel installed correctly or do not have it installed at all. And most of them are actually running paid ads. So they are spending Facebook ad spend and putting messages out there, and they're just not getting that return on investment, that ROAS, that return on ad spend. They're just not getting anywhere with their Facebook ads. And the reason being is because they do not have the Facebook Pixel installed. So this is obviously very beneficial, and I'm about to cover the 3 core benefits with you. I'm also going to cover with you another method to confirm that the information from the Facebook Pixel is going across to the correct pixel in your business manager in Facebook. Now, this is not covered anywhere, and I want to share this with you if you're someone who is not yet running Facebook ads or you want to very, very soon. So just firstly, what are the 3 core benefits to the Facebook Pixel? Core benefit number 1, and that is to drive more sales. So each and every Facebook personal profile has data points attached to it. Now, Facebook know by all the websites you visit, the actions you take, the interests, the demographics, everything. They know so many data points of you. And if you've got the Facebook Pixel installed on your website and you telling Facebook that you want purchases or you want leads or you want registrations, applications, scheduled events, whatever it is, then Facebook's going to know, okay, within this selected interest, this selected audience, I know there are 200,000 leads that we can go and start sharing your message, your promoted message, so your ad to. So core benefit number 2 is able to create custom audiences and lookalike audience. So a custom audience is you're telling Facebook that you want to collect that information and store that audience so that you can retarget, remarket, one of the most underused strategies out there. But with the custom audience, you're able to put your message back out there. Obviously, people are getting distracted with busy lives, and it's just a really good way to reconnect with those who've added to cart but have not purchased. That is just one example. There are so many more. Now, with custom audiences, you can also create lookalike audiences that you've told Facebook you want to save that information from the 1,000 people who have added to cart, for example, and you want to go for them to go out and find more people that are similar to those within that 1,000 list. So obviously, the more data you have, the better. So it is really good to create more data by sending more traffic, and then Facebook start to refine that information, refine that lookalike audience, and you can start to use those in your CBO campaigns and more. Now, let's look at core benefit number 3, and that is just to understand your data correctly. So you know where the bottlenecks are, you know where you need to focus your time on your funnel so that you can really start to optimize that step and get the most actions that you can for your business. Now, the Facebook Pixel Helper is a free Chrome extension that anyone can get and install quickly and easy into their Chrome browser. And what this does is it shows any website or funnel or store that has the Facebook Pixel installed. Now, you can have multiple pixels installed, and you can go and check on your competitors and see if they have this running correctly and if they even have this installed at all. Now, to check that the Facebook Pixel is firing correctly, there is a free tool provided by Facebook, and that is called the Facebook Pixel Helper. To do this, all you have to do is go to Google and search for the Facebook Pixel Helper extension. Once you do that, just make sure that you go and add to Chrome, which is shown in the blue section. As you can see on the screen, though, you do not want it to show that red error. That is mean the pixel is not loading. It's not sending that information back to Facebook to help with your Facebook ads. Now, just make sure you add the extension as shown in this screen. and what it'll do is it'll pop up in the extensions up the top. You can see it. There is a little green icon next to it, but essentially it is blue with like little code brackets and whatnot. You will have different numbers depending on how you set up your Facebook pixels, but essentially there are 3 events going back to Facebook. Yours might be a little bit different. Just make sure that page view is showing and that there is a little green tick. This means the Facebook pixel is firing correctly and that information is going back to really help you get that return on ad spend with Facebook ads. So you can see how important it is to have the Facebook Pixel Helper installed and to go and check each of your actions on your website. So go and check by adding your product or your service to cart. Make sure that that information is going back to Facebook. Even do a demo run of purchasing a product. So create a test product that either has 0 price or it's only for $1 or $2, and make sure you put the credit card information in. Pretend you're an actual customer, and just to make sure that that information is going back to your pixel. Because what the purchase event will do is it will send back the currency and the amount. So it'll tell Facebook if you've just created a test product for $1, it will send that information back. Let's just pretend you're using USD or AUD. It will tell Facebook that you've just made a purchase of $1 in USD. Next, I just want to reveal to you something that nobody else covers before, and that is going and making sure that that data is actually going into the correct pixel and it is coming through, and all the events are coming through as well. So the Pixel Helper is really great just to confirm that it's working on your funnel, on your website or your store, but it is really good to actually go back to your pixel where you set it up, where you created it, and go and check the events. Check that they're firing. You can go and check the data and the information that is all coming through as well. It's like a double check. It's the perfect way to make sure that you have winning Facebook ads, and it is obviously the anti-kryptonite for most advertisers online. So anybody running ads online, do not go back and check this, and it is so vital, so important. And that is why I want to share this with you, is the Events Manager. Now this is where you created the Facebook pixel, and this is where you can confirm that that data is coming back through from your website, your funnel, or your store. So obviously the Facebook Pixel Helper confirmed that that information is firing correctly and that information is going back to Facebook, but let's confirm that it's going back to the correct spot. Now, no one covers this, and it is such a vital thing for anyone running Facebook ads online, anyone who wants to have those winning ads and grow their online business. So let's take a look at the Facebook Events Manager. So let me know in the comments, have you ever heard of the Facebook Events Manager? Have you used this before? This is obviously where all your pixels are, and when you can go and get into the detail and more advanced part of analyzing your events, your standard events, your custom events for your Facebook pixel, really start to optimize your campaigns and really understand what information is coming back through from your pixel, from your funnel, website, or your store. Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear if you've heard of it before or how often you actually use it. And I really hope you've got a lot from this video. Let me know your favorite thing or your biggest takeaway. I'd like to hear those as well. Or if there is anything that you're unsure on or you're stuck on, just let me know in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get instant notifications. I cannot wait to see you in the next video with your online marketing, your Facebook marketing, paid advertising, campaigns, video, and more. My name is Joel Woolhead from Infinity Wave Social.